What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji, and today, you guys, I have a crazy pair of shoes with me. Before I get into that, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, drop a comment, drop a like, and share it with your fellow sneakerheads. I cannot believe what I got in my hands. It is a very limited Jordan. 8,500 pairs were made, and it's the Air DIOR Jordan 1. I cannot believe that I have these in my possession. I'm just way too excited. So enough of me talking, let's just get in the unboxing. All right, guys, so before we get into the unboxing, I just want to tell you guys what an amazing journey it's been so far in just 3 short months of me starting this YouTube channel. It's insane where I am now as to where we were as a family over in Macedonia before we came to America. You know, God chose us to be here, and I'm able to do what I love, and hopefully it shows in my passion in my videos, and I appreciate you guys riding with me so far. Now, without further ado, here is the Air DIOR Jordan 1. All right, guys, so here's the box. We got a magnet on the front, so it literally just shuts itself, and get it open here. It's a nice cloth or almost a velvety texture, very high quality box. We got the DIOR print paper right here, and a few layers of paper underneath the paper. We got the absolutely sick leather DIOR insoles, and these are extra insoles, so that's that. And then we got extra laces, a white pair of laces right here with very nice little metal tips on those, with the Jumpman on the metal tips, the Air DIOR on the bag. And then we have a couple more bags here. It looks like these fill out of the bags, but we got the Jumpman hang tag right here. And then we have the Air DIOR hang tag, very sick. And then we have a couple more dust bags right here. Air DIOR dust bags as well, right there. Same thing, right. Second bag, Air DIOR. And then, guys, these are so flames. These are so sick. These are insane, you guys. Here is the Air DIOR Jordan 1. Let's just pull these out of the box and take a closer look. These guys are so nice. You got the Air DIOR print on the Nike swoosh, and actually was stitched in with a stitching machine. Watched a little video on how these were made, and these were hand stitched, or not hand stitched, but machine stitched. The leather on this is just thicker leather than normal Jordan 1. You got the Air DIOR print on the shoe on the side here, so huge props to DIOR for getting permission to be able to put DIOR on the Wings logo, because normally it's Air Jordan, and for them to get the go ahead on Air DIOR is insane. You got the icy bottoms here, where one says DIOR on the bottom, and then on this one it's got the Air DIOR Wings logo as well right here. Very bold black print. These icy bottoms are just absolutely sick. These things are so insane, you guys. I can't believe I even have them, and I'm able to unbox them and just show you guys. These, like I said earlier, there's 8,500 pairs. This one is the 1,020th pair, so 1,020 out of 8,500. And the stitching is just immaculate. Normally these tags, or not tags, but normally these little lace loops right here are attached to the shoe, but these are kind of loose, so if you even wanted to take this lace out right here and kind of leave this hanging out, you could. That would be a nice look. You got the Air DIOR on the tongue here. Let's pull out the shoe trees here, the Jordan shoe tree Jumpman on there, and then you got the Air DIOR I think it's a DIOR insole. It's not the same one as the second pair. This one's got the DIOR print. This one just says DIOR right here, but it's a decent insole. The inside, if you guys can tell, it's got DIOR print on the bottom, so super sick details on that as well. But I mean, overall, man, this shoe is just, you know, one of a kind. It's the first time Jordan has collaborated with a high-end brand like DIOR, and they hit the ball out of the park with this one, you guys. It's a freaking home run. I've had my eye on these for a minute. Like, as soon as I saw pictures surface of this shoe, I knew some way, somehow I had to get my hands on these. And I was obviously willing to pay retail to get them, but I didn't pay retail. I paid resale. So you guys can check the resale prices if you don't. If you want to see what they're going for, it's upwards of 10K and even more. It's insane how much these are going for, but I wasn't lucky to hit the raffle on these, and actually I was an idiot because I didn't even sign up for the raffle. So that was my bad, but nevertheless, I have them, and it's insane. These things are insane. I don't even know. I'm trying to talk, but I'm kind of speechless. It's just super crazy that I have these with me. And actually, I didn't even notice there's DIOR print on the tongue as well. It's very faint and hard to tell, but the details on these shoes are just absolutely insane, and I love them. I love them. Probably the sneaker of the year. I have a couple other shoes behind me, like the Chunky Dunkies that were probably up there in like top 2 or top 3 sneaker of the year, but I think this might be the number 1 shoe this year. But absolutely stoked to have it and to be able to unbox it for you guys. I may keep them, I may sell them down the road. I don't know yet, but if you guys have any questions, comments, anything at all, drop them down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's going to be very hard to top this video, you guys, but I'm going to do my best to bring the best content I can. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.